Hello guys and welcome to my channel English with Pooja. I hope you really enjoyed my previous videos and I really want to tell you one important thing. I am facing lots of challenges while speaking in English and many of my relatives and friends and family members, they are just saying that you can't speak English even one sentence. Yes, I know that I can't speak English, but I have a dream that I should speak English. But the thing is that I can't consistent on my channel and on my practice. When I take some break for my college study, for assignments completion, at that time I forget everything and I always try to speak and I feel demotivated after starting after start again on that same journey. So only one thing I would like to share with you today. Just keep doing well. Don't consider yourself. How do you practice and how do you improve yourself on daily basis? Just remember one thing, that you will have to speak English very confidently. If you have not good vocabulary knowledge, if you have not good communication skills, still you can improve your communication skill in a very easier way. So don't think like I should not speak. Even I feel very demotivated while speaking in English, and when I start my journey again and again in this English communication practice, then I feel give up. But in that situation, I try to build my confidence level and I try to speak English very confidently. So this is all about for today, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and give me some motivation from you, because I am a very beginner. I can't even speak English. I don't know when I will speak fluently in English, but still I am practicing, I am improving myself.